All right, students, this is our last problem for our instruction for how to solve long division problems. Right here is our problem, so find the paper that has this on it. I'm going to put my dividend, I'm going to put 1 in each box. My divisor is going to go on the outside. Can I do 5 times anything and get close to 2? No, because it's going to be too big. So it's going to be 0. 2's left over. Is 2 smaller than 5? Yes, so I give it a check. Bring my 5 up to join 9. So I'm going to skip count by 5s until I can get as close to 59. I'm sorry, this is a 2. I'm going to skip count by 5s until I can get as close to 29 without going over. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Next would be 30, so I know it's going to be 5. So I'm going to do 5 times 5 is 25. When I subtract, there's 4 left. Is 4 smaller than 5? Yes, it is. So I'm going to bring it up to join the 6. I'm going to skip count by 5s until I can get to 46. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So it's going to be 9. 9 times 5 is 45. Subtract, and I've got 1 left. Bring my 1 up to join this 5. 5, 10, 15. So I've got a 3 here. Subtract, and there's no remainder. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the area model now. In the area model, I put my entire dividend into this first box, and I divide by 5. Can I multiply 5 times any thousands and get less than this? No, I cannot. So 5 times 0 is 0. I still have 2,965. So I'm going to bring it over here to the hundreds box. Well, I know that 5 times 5 is 25, which is pretty close to 29. So if I do 500, then that's going to be 2,500. So 5, 6, 4. So that leaves me 465. I'm going to move that over here. Now when I have 465, I know that 9 times 5 is 45, so 90 would be 450, and that would leave me 15. So move 15 over here. Then I know 5 times 3 is 15, and I subtract and have nothing left over. And then I add 500, 90, and 3, and get 593. Right, now we're going to move on over here to the partial quotients. I'm going to put the entire dividend inside the box, and my divisor is going to go on the outside. Start with my thousands, and I cannot multiply it by anything, so it's going to remain 2,965. Now I'm going to go to my hundreds. We know that it's going to be 500. So 5 times 500 is 2,500. We've got 5, 1, 4 left. Now I'm going to go to my tens. So 90, oh, I'm sorry, this is a 6. 90 times 5 is 450. When I subtract, I've got 15 left. And then I go to my ones, and I know it's going to be 3, so 5 times 3 is 15. I subtract, and there's nothing left. Then I have to add 590 and 3, and I get 593 as an answer. Last one today. Right, this is the traditional method. I'm going to put my whole dividend inside the house, 2,965 divided by 5. 5 times 0 is going to have to go right here because I can't do anything else. Bring down that 9. I've got 29. 5 times 5 is 25. So I'm going to subtract. I've got 4 left. Bring down that 6. 5 times 9 is 45. I subtract. I've got 1 left. Bring down that 5 when I've got 15. 5 times 3 is 15. I subtract, and there's nothing left. So 593 is our answer on this problem. All right, that's it for these videos. Our next video, I'm going to show you how to check and make sure that your answer is correct using multiplication. So come back and see those.